What's up everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. I'm coming at you today from my kitchen where I'm going to show you how to change this nasty grease filter that exists under your over-the-range microwave. I just put together a video recently that talked about changing the light bulb that illuminates your cooktop, but today I wanted to tackle this grease filter. You should be cleaning your grease filter about every 3 months or so, maybe a little bit more if you cook a little bit more. Now the whole purpose of this thing is to catch the grease when you're cooking on your cooktop to make sure it doesn't get into your exhaust fan and doesn't hamper the functionality of that. What we're going to do today is just remove this, put it in our dishwasher, see what it looks like when it comes out. The Maytag instructions say I can do this. You might want to check yours if you're looking at something other than a Maytag. So first step, and again, this is just a Maytag. It's easy to take out. A lot of over-the-range microwaves are the same way. This filter just exists up here, and all you do is you grab one end of this, push it out slightly, and then pull this out. So look at this. You can see it's caked on with a lot of grease, and I've been bad about cleaning this. So we're going to see what our dishwasher can do to this. Okay, so the cycle that we just used to clean the grease filter from the microwave is finished. So let's check it out. And as you can see here, this looks a ton better than what I showed you earlier. So it looks like the dishwasher did a really nice job of cleaning this, and all we had to do was take the 5 seconds to take that off of the bottom of the microwave, put it in the dishwasher, turn the dishwasher on, and then however long your cycle lasts, come back, take it out, and now we'll just put it right back in the microwave. So now that we have our clean grease filter, we're gonna put it back in the bottom of our microwave, just the opposite way that we took it out. So if you forgot which way your filter should be inserted, as you can tell here, the top of this is kind of slightly raised. So the raised surface on yours as opposed to this side, which as you can see here is slightly depressed. This will be the top. So I'm just going to put the raised surface on the bottom, slide it back in this slit right here where I got it out, and then just move it forward until it goes underneath the other side. And then it just hangs loosely there. That's it. Thanks for watching. So if you research how to clean the grease filter on your microwave, you're gonna find lots of other ideas. You're gonna learn about how you can boil water first and then have it soak in there with some other things. You're gonna learn about maybe using some vinegar. You're gonna learn about scrubbing it down with some other kinds of solutions. But to me, just removing your grease filter from your microwave, putting it in the dishwasher, running it with whatever other dishes that you have in there, removing it, putting it back in your microwave is the absolute most efficient option out there that requires almost no work. Hope it works for you. Thanks for watching, everybody.